Next, we will see the layer tools in the toolbox area. So I'm going to select the layer properties in the toolbox. So you can also access the layer properties manager from the command line. It's like you need to type lay and press enter. So you will see this pop up. So I will show that as well. So like this, you will get a pop-up. So in this, you can create new layer, freeze the layer as well as delete the layer, and also you can set the layer as your current layer. So in here, I'm going to create a one layer. So I'm setting the name as circle, and the next layer, a rectangle, and I'm creating another layer. I am naming as triangle. So now I'm closing. Now I'm in the zero layer. Yeah. So in here, I'm selecting this circle and to send to the circle layer. So now I am selecting this rectangle and I am sending that rectangle to a rectangle layer. So now I am selecting this triangle and setting that triangle layer as triangle. So now I only need to see this particular circle. For that, I'm just clicking and I'm just freezing the rectangle. So I'm just choosing the zero layer first. You cannot be able to freeze the layer while you are in a particular layer. So now I'm freezing the rectangle layer and now I'm freezing the triangle layer. So I can only view the circle which is in the circle layer. So if I want to see the rectangle, I need to unfreeze. So I need to unfreeze the triangle to see the triangle. So in here, I can also lock the layer. I'm just going to lock the triangle layer. Okay. I'm also locking the circle layer. So now I am just in that rectangle layer and I am just going to move this particular rectangle. So I am clicking the move tool and this is I am selecting this as my base point and I am just moving this rectangle. But I cannot be able to do that for circle or triangle. So that is the advantage of this layer, because if you lock the layer, you can't access that particular objects. So also you can't move or copy or stretch. You can't do anything with that object. So this is the main advantage of the layer tools. So this will be useful when you are dealing with industrial level drawings such as floor plan or a process plan for industry. So this is the main advantage of layer in AutoCAD.